the best little things in the world. Make sure they're not anywhere. Little blinky. They're like in a blinky. They got these things. They're so cute. They're so cute. They don't want to drink out of this, and they need to. Come here, sweetie. This is the nipple. A nipple. Wow. Come on, sweetie. You can drink out of that sucker. I don't know. I don't want to be squeezing it or anything. I don't want to force any out. She just needs to drink. I want her to learn. Maybe they'll learn. If one does it. Oh gosh. I'm just wanting them to drink out of this. So bad. They're so cute. Yeah, mommy is so tired. She wants to just hang out in the house right now. Okay, so little pugs are so cute. This is my neighbor's dog. This is the neighbor's dog. I think, yeah. This is Marleys. This one's Marley. So I know Marley at least has two. I don't know for sure what that little guy. We'll see. I think Marley has two of his kids. And then the rest of the puppies are probably all the neighbors. But they break out of their yard and they come in this yard. I had no idea she was in heat. Oh, there's an ant there. I gotta make sure there's no flies and stuff. They are so freaking cute. Look at that. Oh my God. I should up the resolution. I don't even know if because there's no light. Oh, this little guy. I love these little guys. They're the cutest little things ever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, they're all there. They're all there. They could be on this pillow too. I think they like that little pad. That helped.